Hi friends, welcome back to channel Tecno. In this video I'm going to unbox the Realme Pad. Yes friends, finally I did receive the Realme Pad from the Flipkart, which I did order on the first sale, and this variant is of 4GB and 64GB model and the 4G connection as well. And I was not thinking of ordering this Realme Pad, to be frank, but later on one of my cousin brother, he want to order some tablet, so I did ask him to buy the Realme Pad. So in that way even I got a chance to review, and he did give the permission for me to unbox before. So that's the reason friends I was able to do this kind of unboxing, and for a couple of days I'll try to keep the tablet with me as well, this Realme Pad. So meanwhile I'll try to definitely test in depth of this tablet. I do have other tablets with me, for example Lenovo Chrome tablet, and I do have the Samsung tablet as well. So I'll try to do side by side comparison how well those tablets are performing when compared with the Realme Pad. That's what I'm going to exactly check meanwhile. And this tablet I got it for about 11,500. This exact price, yes friends, 11,500, and the tablet price is actually 17,999, and 2,000 rupees I did use the HDFC card, and 4,500 is a super coins which my cousin brother has got left, and few of them are actually expiring today. I think maybe after a couple of weeks they are supposed to expire. So I thought of using everything, all the super coins whatever I got, and this tablet cost right now is about 11,500. Yes, that is how the cost break, 11,500. I thought of explaining to you. And for this 11,500, it's really good deal, I would say, for my cousin brother who want to do online classes or whatever. But still, let's see friends, how is the experience going to be there. And here we go with the Realme Pad, which says, you can see the list of specifications which clearly mentioned 10.4 inches and 7100 mAh of battery, Dolby Atmos with a quad speaker, set of quad speaker, and Helio G80 processor, not gaming processor, but 8 megapixel ultra wide front camera. So I'm going to test each and everything in my channel, so make sure to stay tuned for more updates friends. And as I said, this is my first tablet to be unboxed in my channel, I think so. I did not unbox any other tablet before, so maybe that's really good to know. And meanwhile, don't forget to comment below what are other testings you want me to do on the Realme Pad. I did post the community post as well, and a lot of users, they are actually not interested in buying this Realme Pad because of the expensive price as well. But to be frank, exactly, even I did not expect I will be unboxing the Realme Pad in my channel. Thank you for my brother who did ask me to unbox before him. So let me do the unboxing. There's no tape around this box again, so once we remove that plastic cover, and here we go friends, this is a tablet here we got. So this is my first feeling. Let's see how much light it's gonna be there. Not bad, it's good. Wow, it feels kind of yeah, not that heavy friends, I would say. So considering this kind of size, 10 inches of screen size, but still this is a gold color which I did order. You can see the color as well, gold color. And let's keep this tablet aside and the knife aside without touching the tablet, so I should not scratch anything on this one. So there's nothing inside, there's just Realme paper, and there's a SIM card pin. As I said, this is a 4G variant. Of course I'll be testing my own 4G type testings in my channel, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos as well. And here comes the charger, which should be the 18 watts charger, but it feels very heavy, huge, that's kind of thing. And we do have the cable, which is USB to Type-C cable. These are the things which we get in the box inside. So here comes the tablet. So it looks overall really good friends, and having the quad speaker setup, and there's a 3mm jack in the edges you can see, and the Type-C port which we got here, and the front camera is present on the side, not on the top, which we do see normally in some other tablets. That's a one change which I did see here. So definitely I need to focus on the display. How is the display clarity in this Realme Pad? Is it good or not? Because I need to compare with other tablets which I got with me, which is a Samsung tab. Of course the Samsung has got AMOLED panel, but still I need to compare with the Lenovo Chrome tab which I got here. So I need to compare with this Lenovo Chrome tab as well. I think both are kind of similar to each other in terms of the size and screen, but slightly big on the, I think Realme Pad is slightly big, more than the Realme Chrome, little bit. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick unboxing review of the Realme Pad, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, don't forget to check the playlist as well. I'll try to clear the playlist for the Realme Pad as well very soon, so you'll get to know all the information. In case if you're planning to buy this Realme Pad, I think there's going to be sale on the 20th September. I think that should be maybe tomorrow, I think so. Yes, that's a tomorrow sale we'll be having the Realme Pad. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.